1. 1974 Nissan Pro Street 260Z. Price, $50,000. Located, Victorville, California. The 1974 Nissan Pro Street 260Z is an expertly engineered street and strip machine that combines lightweight Japanese styling with proven American V8 performance. Finished in red with a black interior, this custom-built 260Z features a full chromoly tube chassis extending to the firewall along with a professionally constructed back half and full rear tubs. Power comes from a naturally aspirated 357 cubic inch Ford the 5th 8 built from a 351 block and equipped with forged DSS racing pistons, AFR 185 Renegade aluminum cylinder heads, comp cams valve train, trick flow fuel injection intake, and Holley HPFI electronic fuel injection. The engine is paired with a Liberty-built TKO 600 5-speed manual transmission featuring face-plated gears, a hydraulic clutch system, and a Pro 5.0 short-throw shifter for precise gear changes. Additional performance upgrades include a narrowed Curry Ford 9-inch rear axle with Detroit locker differential, Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes, custom long tube headers, Alden front coilovers, Strange rear coilovers, Holley digital instrumentation, and rack and pinion steering. Dyno testing recorded 423.5 horsepower at the rear wheels on pumped gasoline, while the lightweight 2,440-pound chassis has achieved impressive 7-second eighth-mile performance. This professionally constructed 260Z offers exceptional engineering, outstanding reliability, and thrilling performance for serious enthusiasts. 2. 1963 Chevrolet SS Nova Pro Street. Price, $55,000. Located, Murrieta, California. The 1963 Chevrolet SS Nova Pro Street is a professionally built muscle car that combines lightweight construction with exceptional horsepower and race-proven engineering. Built on a complete tube chassis using Chris Alston front and rear frame sections, this Nova has been carefully assembled to deliver outstanding performance while maintaining the unmistakable appearance of the iconic first-generation SS model. Power comes from a Merlin big block engine equipped with matching Merlin cylinder heads, Holley electronic fuel injection, a powerful TBS supercharger, and a nitrous oxide system for additional performance when needed. A Hughes Competition Powerglide transmission with a reed case and Pro brake transfers power efficiently to the rear wheels, creating a dependable combination for serious street and strip use. The body remains all steel with the exception of the hood, deck lid, and bumpers, helping keep overall weight to approximately 2,780 pounds. According to the seller, the engine produces approximately 720 horsepower at the wheels without nitrous assistance. A set of new racing slicks is included, and a 24-foot Carson enclosed trailer is also available separately. This Nova represents an outstanding opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a professionally built pro street classic. 3. 1965 Plymouth Valiant Pro Street. Price, $17,500. Located, Beaumont, California. The 1965 Plymouth Valiant Pro Street is a well-prepared Mopar muscle car that combines lightweight construction with impressive small block performance and proven drag racing capability. Finished in bright red with a black interior, this Valiant carries a clean California title and has been carefully maintained throughout its life. Under the hood sits a powerful 422 cubic inch small block Mopar engine producing approximately 600 horsepower and 570 pound-feet of torque. The engine features a forged rotating assembly, Edelbrock cylinder heads that have been professionally ported and flowed, a 4-inch stroker crankshaft, 12:1 compression ratio, an 850 CFM carburetor, and long tube headers with mufflers for strong performance and an aggressive exhaust note. Power is delivered through a rebuilt 904 automatic transmission and a 9-inch Continental torque converter that provides dependable launches at the drag strip. The seller notes that the car previously served as a dedicated drag racer and has recorded impressive 10-second quarter-mile performances at approximately 124 miles per hour. This Plymouth Valiant offers excellent value for enthusiasts seeking an affordable pro street Mopar with proven performance and classic styling. 4. 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle Coupe. Price, $31,000. Located, Altadena, California. The 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle Coupe is a purpose-built full drag car that combines legendary muscle car styling with exceptional horsepower and race-ready performance. Finished in black with a matching black interior, this Chevelle is powered by an incredible 632 cubic inch Chevrolet big block engine producing approximately 900 horsepower. The engine is paired with a dependable PowerGlide automatic transmission, creating a proven drivetrain capable of delivering outstanding acceleration and consistent performance on the drag strip. The rear suspension features a professionally installed ladder bar system with adjustable coilover shocks that maximize traction during hard launches while maintaining excellent chassis stability. The exterior carries a meaningful custom wrap dedicated to fallen soldiers and military veterans, giving the vehicle a distinctive appearance while honoring those who have served. According to the seller, the car is being offered on behalf of a family member and is available to the next enthusiast who appreciates professionally built drag racing machinery. This Chevrolet Chevelle represents an outstanding opportunity to own a powerful competition car featuring premium racing components, iconic American muscle styling, and the performance expected from a serious full drag build. 5. 1953 Jeep Willys Aero Ace. Price, $19,500. Located, Muncie, Indiana. The 1953 Jeep Willys Aero Ace is a unique vintage gasser that combines classic post-war styling with serious big block performance and dependable mechanical upgrades. Finished in blue with a turquoise interior, this Willys has been owned by the current seller for approximately 4 years and has proven to be a reliable cruiser at numerous local car shows and cruise events. Power comes from a massive 512 cubic inch Chevrolet big block engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission, delivering exceptional torque and strong acceleration. Additional drivetrain upgrades include a durable Ford 9-inch rear axle fitted with 4.10 gears and an upgraded fuel system designed to support the powerful engine combination. The vehicle also benefits from power steering, making it easier and more enjoyable to drive despite its race-inspired character. The seller describes the car as dependable and emphasizes that its raw sounds, vibrations, and authentic gasser personality are all part of its unique appeal. Carrying an Indiana title and ready to enjoy immediately, this Willys Aero Ace represents an excellent opportunity for collectors searching for an unusual classic that combines vintage styling, impressive V8 power, and unmistakable hot rod character. 6. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price, $38,000. Located, Kansas City, Missouri. The 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D is an impressive pro-street machine inspired by the legendary Grumpy Jenkins race cars and built for enthusiasts who appreciate classic American muscle with serious drag racing performance. Finished in white with a black interior, this Camaro is powered by a massive 427 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine equipped with a tunnel ram intake and dual 850 Holley carburetors, delivering outstanding horsepower and unmistakable race-inspired character. Power is transferred through a dependable TCI PowerGlide automatic transmission paired with a 5,000 stall 2-piece torque converter and a Ford 9-inch rear axle fitted with aggressive 5.13 gears. The chassis features an Art Morrison back half conversion that provides exceptional strength while accommodating massive 31 by 14-inch rear tires for maximum traction. Additional weight reduction comes from a fiberglass front end and fiberglass trunk lid, while the rust-free body has been carefully preserved in climate-controlled storage. The seller is interested in trading for a street rod, Chevelle, or Nova that can be enjoyed on public roads. This Camaro represents an outstanding combination of professional construction, classic styling, and proven drag racing capability. 7. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro. Price, $42,500. Located, Boise, Idaho. The 1968 Chevrolet Camaro is a professionally assembled all-steel drag car built with premium racing components and exceptional attention to detail. Finished in elegant pearl white with a black interior, this Camaro retains a clean title and stock rear wheel openings while currently configured for pro-class competition. Power comes from a massive 565 cubic inch engine built around a dart block with Dart Pro 1 aluminum cylinder heads, a Brodix intake manifold, Williams Dominator carburetor, MSD ignition system, and an aerospace vacuum pump. Producing approximately 950 horsepower, the engine delivers outstanding performance while remaining supported by a Griffin aluminum radiator for dependable cooling. Power is transferred through a Reed PowerGlide automatic transmission paired with a 5,500 revolutions per minute torque converter and trans brake, creating an ideal combination for competitive drag racing. Additional upgrades include tubular A-arms, Willwood 4-wheel disc brakes, QA1 adjustable shocks, and a Caltrax rear suspension system for improved traction and handling. According to the seller, nearly every component on the vehicle is new. This Camaro offers exceptional performance, professional engineering, and outstanding value for racers seeking a highly competitive drag machine with premium equipment throughout. 8. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro SS Coupe 2D. Price, $50,000. Located, Columbia Falls, Montana. The 1968 Chevrolet Camaro SS Coupe 2D is a beautifully maintained pro-street muscle car that combines timeless Camaro styling with dependable drag racing performance and impressive mechanical upgrades. Finished in attractive gray, this Camaro carries a clean title and has accumulated approximately 5,000 miles while remaining in excellent overall condition. The seller notes that the vehicle is priced for a quick sale and is also willing to consider interesting trades, including a cabin cruiser boat or other unique vehicles. Built with quality performance components, this Camaro offers the aggressive appearance and powerful driving experience expected from a professionally prepared pro-street machine. Its clean presentation and carefully maintained condition make it suitable for weekend cruising, local car shows, and performance events alike. The legendary first-generation Camaro body style continues to be one of the most desirable American muscle car designs, making this example especially attractive to collectors and enthusiasts. Combining classic Chevrolet heritage with modern performance upgrades, dependable mechanical components, and outstanding curb appeal, this Camaro SS represents an excellent opportunity to own a highly desirable muscle car that delivers both show-quality appearance and exciting driving performance. 9. 1974 Chevrolet Vega. Price, $27,000. Located, Granite City, Illinois. The 1974 Chevrolet Vega is a professionally constructed pro-street drag car built around a complete tube chassis and loaded with premium racing components from front to rear. Designed for serious performance, the chassis is fabricated entirely from lightweight chrome moly tubing and features a professionally installed 4-link rear suspension that delivers outstanding traction under hard acceleration. Fiberglass doors, deck lid, and a complete fiberglass front end help reduce overall weight while maintaining the aggressive appearance expected from a dedicated race car. The drivetrain features a powerful 434 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine equipped with a new supercharger, while a rebuilt Powerglide automatic transmission delivers dependable power to a strange rear axle assembly fitted with new 35 spline axles and a brand new third member. The vehicle also benefits from new double adjustable QA1 shocks at every corner, providing precise suspension tuning for changing track conditions. A valid title and dashboard VIN remain with the car, making ownership straightforward. The seller would also consider a trade involving a Cosworth Vega plus cash. This Chevrolet Vega represents an exceptional opportunity for racers seeking a professionally built drag car with quality components and proven performance potential. 10. 1982 Chevrolet Camaro Z/28 Coupe 2D. Price, $26,000. Located, Lincoln, Nebraska. The 1982 Chevrolet Camaro Z/28 Coupe 2D is a purpose-built drag car designed to deliver reliable performance and impressive acceleration while maintaining the unmistakable appearance of a third-generation Camaro. Finished in vibrant orange with a charcoal interior, this Camaro features a clean title, VIN, and all original glass, making it a unique combination of race-ready engineering and recognizable street car heritage. Under the hood sits a powerful 468 cubic inch Chevrolet big block engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission equipped with a trans brake for consistent launches and dependable race performance. The drivetrain is supported by a durable Dana 60 rear axle fitted with aggressive 4.88 gears, providing excellent traction and acceleration on the drag strip. The car is built around a full round tube chassis that delivers exceptional structural strength while reducing weight for improved performance. According to the seller, the vehicle has accumulated approximately 1,234 miles and remains in excellent mechanical condition. This Camaro Z/28 represents an outstanding opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a professionally constructed drag car that combines proven racing components, dependable performance, classic Chevrolet styling, and exceptional overall value. 11. 1981 Chevrolet Malibu Classic. Price, $25,000. Located, DeWitt, Nebraska. The 1981 Chevrolet Malibu Classic is a professionally prepared drag racing machine built around premium performance components and a race-proven chassis. Finished in attractive blue with a black interior, this Malibu carries an 8.50 certification, making it suitable for competitive drag racing while providing confidence in its professional construction. Power comes from a massive 565 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine built on a Merlin block and equipped with Brodix aluminum cylinder heads for exceptional airflow and horsepower. The engine is paired with a dependable Powerglide automatic transmission that delivers smooth, consistent power during every pass. Additional race-focused equipment includes a 4.10 rear gear ratio, throttle stop system, new batteries, and lightweight fiberglass doors, deck lid, and complete front end to reduce weight while improving overall performance. The seller notes that the vehicle remains available and does not require assistance with the sale, reflecting confidence in its quality and value. Combining powerful big block performance, proven race engineering, and lightweight construction, this Malibu Classic represents an excellent opportunity for racers seeking a competitive drag car that is already equipped with premium components and ready for the track. 12. 1965 Pontiac GTO 2-door. Price, $30,000. Located, Sturgis, Michigan. The 1965 Pontiac GTO 2-door is an outstanding drag car that combines legendary Pontiac muscle with professionally engineered racing components and proven track performance. Powered by a Butler-built 467 cubic inch Pontiac engine producing approximately 718 horsepower, this GTO features 14:1 compression, Edelbrock aluminum cylinder heads, a BOP camshaft belt drive system, Jim Butler tunnel ram intake, and dual Holley 750 CFM carburetors for exceptional airflow and performance. Additional engine upgrades include Doug headers and an MSD7AL2 ignition system with an integrated 2-step rev limiter. Power is transferred through a turbo 400 automatic transmission with manual valve body and trans brake to a narrowed Ford 9-inch rear axle equipped with 4.11 gears, spool, ladder bar suspension, and a professionally tubbed rear section. The chassis also includes tubular A-arms, 4-wheel disc brakes, Convo Pro wheels, dual Optima batteries, Rodney Red aluminum radiator, electric water pump, fuel cell, and fiberglass hood and bumpers. Having competed successfully for more than 9 years, including a strong finish at the Martin, Michigan Pinks All-Out event, this Pontiac GTO offers proven performance, reliability, and classic muscle car appeal. 13. 1992 Chevrolet Camaro Z/28 Coupe 2D. Price, $33,500. Located, Bristol, Wisconsin. The 1992 Chevrolet Camaro Z/28 Coupe 2D is a professionally prepared top sportsman roller designed for racers seeking a lightweight and highly competitive drag racing platform. Recently acquired from its original owner, this Camaro weighs approximately 2,250 pounds and carries a valid 6.0 certification, making it an excellent foundation for serious competition. The chassis is configured specifically for a big block Chevrolet engine and Powerglide transmission, allowing builders to complete the vehicle with their preferred drivetrain combination. Buyers looking for a complete turnkey package also have the option of purchasing the car with a freshly built 622 cubic inch engine and matching Powerglide transmission that have accumulated only a handful of passes since completion. The seller describes the Camaro as exceptionally clean and carefully maintained throughout its life, reflecting the quality of its construction and previous ownership. Additional photographs and technical information are available upon request for serious buyers. Combining lightweight construction, race-proven engineering, current certification, and excellent upgrade flexibility, this Chevrolet Camaro Z/28 represents an outstanding opportunity for competitors seeking a professionally built top sportsman race car with exceptional performance potential.